Are you a HoneyBook user that also wants to sell digital products? Well, thanks to HoneyBook's latest feature update, you can now add digital products to your lead forms, which means you can now sell your workbooks, courses, templates, and so much more with the click of a button. Inside this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process you need to take if you want to update your lead forms so that folks can access your digital products. And if you're new here, hey, I'm Matthew, and I help independent business owners build a clear, confident, and cohesive brand. One of the ways I like to do that is by utilizing a client flow management platform like HoneyBook. First, let's look at how you add a digital product to a lead form. From any page, navigate to Tools, and then click on Lead Forms. Once you're there, click on the Create New button. You can then come down and click on Digital Product, or you can start from any other lead form template. Once you've selected the digital product template that you'd like, you can click on Edit. Now don't forget to always apply your company themes before moving forward. This makes customization of the file a breeze. Okay, the good thing is that if you've selected the digital product lead form template, HoneyBook has actually included a handful of instructions here within the template. From the lead form, either locate your existing digital product, like this, or add a new services block by clicking the large plus sign and clicking on Services. If needed, you can type the name, description, and the price for your digital product. What you want to ensure is that under digital products that you've turned on this toggle button. Then you want to paste the link where your digital file lives. At this time, digital products must be added with a URL. I recommend uploading your file to Dropbox or, like me, Google Drive or any other hosting service, and then linking it directly to the hosted file URL. Just a note that the URL must begin with HTTP or HTTPS. I'll grab my file now. In this example, I'll be using a worksheet that I have. Then you want to hit Publish. Always make sure that you have either added or updated all of the products before you hit Publish. After it generates, you'll be able to receive a link that you can bookmark or send to other leads. Now let's take a look at the client experience with digital products. Once a lead submits your form, they'll be brought to a confirmation page that looks like this. From this page, they'll be able to open and download and copy the link to any digital products. The lead will also receive a confirmation email where they can access the digital product links. You could even take it a step further by triggering an automation that walks them through a helpful video sequence on how to utilize the worksheet or download, or any other sort of email sequence that could be helpful for the user. I hope you enjoy this new feature on HoneyBook to easily and instantly sell worksheets, ebooks, courses, photo albums, and so much more. If you have ideas on how to expand your revenue streams with digital products, comment below to let me know what you think. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for more. Until next time, keep making good out there.